Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Akilan from Akilan Tech, and guys, as you know, for a couple of days there is a conflict between the India and China, and most of the Indians are trying to uninstall the Chinese applications and trying to install the Indian applications. So watch the video till the end because I'll be sharing some of the non-Chinese applications that are alternatives for the Chinese applications. So let's get started. Guys, in Play Store, we'll find so many Chinese applications and we'll be confused whether which one is the Chinese applications and which one is the non-Chinese application. Well, before going into a video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. So now, let's get into a topic. Guys, the central government of India have released some of the 52 applications that are the Chinese applications that should be uninstalled from a mobile phone and should be banned in the Indian country. So first I am going to just talk about the Chinese applications that the government had told to uninstall your mobile phones, and then I'll go into the alternatives for the Chinese applications. So the Chinese apps are the TikTok, Zoom, Vault, Vigo, Bigo Live, Vimeo, WeChat, ShareIt, UC News, UC Browser, Beauty Place, Xender, Club Factory, Hello, Likey, Quai, Romeway, Shein, Newstag, Mailmaster, Clash of Kings, ES File Manager, MI Community, DU Recorder, MI Store, 360 Security, AppLock, Photo Wonder, Apers, Viva Video, UCam, CM Browser, Virus Cleaner, and also the WPS Office. So these are the popular Chinese apps that you can find in the Play Store, and you might be using some of these apps, not all, but some of them will be using these apps. And one more important thing is that the PUBG Mobile is also a Chinese branded company. Actually, most of the people say that the PUBG is not Chinese, but it is invented by the Americans. Yes, you are right, but I will give you a detailed explanation. See guys, before the PUBG Mobile was released, the PUBG was only for the personal computers or for the laptops. So the PUBG developers who developed this game for the PC and the laptops, these developers were from the USA. But later, when the PUBG was released for the mobile phone, that is the PUBG Mobile, then the Tencent Gaming has acquired this PUBG Mobile, and the Tencent company is the Chinese company. So like this, the PUBG Mobile is a Chinese company, but the PUBG PC version is from the American side. So now let us talk about the alternatives of some of the popular Chinese applications. The first one is the ShareIt or the Xender applications. See, most of us use the ShareIt or Xender applications. These applications are used for the file sharing, that is through offline. Means if you have any two mobile phones, then for sharing the files between the two mobile phones via offline, then you will use this ShareIt or the Xender applications. But these two are the Chinese applications. And the alternative for the ShareIt and Xender applications is ShareAll. Yeah, you have heard it right. It is ShareAll. It is an Indian based company who have developed this ShareAll application. Or you can even use the Files by Google application for sharing the files, which is developed by the Google. And the next one is the WPS Office. See, this WPS Office is used by the people for opening the PDF documents or the Word documents or the PowerPoint documents or any other documents in their mobile phone. An alternative for this WPS Office is the Microsoft Office. You can download this from the Play Store, and it is the official Microsoft application, and you can use this app as an alternative for the WPS Office. And the next one in the list is the Cam Scanner. I think most of you guys use this Cam Scanner. This is an application for scanning the documents, either it may be converting a photo into the Word document or any PDF document. And perfect alternative for this Cam Scanner is Adobe Scan, or you can even use the Microsoft Office Lens. These two are the alternatives for the Cam Scanner application. And the next one is the AppLock. See guys, when you just type an AppLock in the Play Store, this AppLock application from the China will be on the top of the list, and most of the people try to install it. But in the present situation, we don't need the AppLock because our mobile phones are more secure with the high-end features. But if at all, if you want to use the AppLock, then you can try the Norton AppLock. This is the non-Chinese applications, and it is a perfect AppLock in the Play Store right now. And the next one is the UC Browser or the UC News. See guys, this UC Browser will be pre-installed in some of the phones, and you can even uninstall it in some of the mobile phones. So instead of using this UC browser, you can use the Google Chrome browser, which is very popular right now, or you can even use the Indian application, that is the Geo browser. I think you don't know about this Geo browser. It is the browser made by the Geo company. Yes, it is by the Reliance Digital. So you can use this Geo browser to browse anything, and it is an Indian app, so it is very trusted. And the next one in the list is the Zoom applications. See guys, in this lockdown period, most of the people are using the Zoom app for their online meetings or the client meetings. But as you know, this Zoom app is an Chinese-based company. We cannot trust this Zoom app, and recently it also faced so many privacy issues. So there are three alternatives for this Zoom application. First one is the Google Meet, and the second one is the Say Namaste. Yes, you might not heard about this Say Namaste app. It is an Indian video calling app. You can find it on Play Store, and again I'll provide all the links in the description below. You can just click and download those apps directly from there. And also one more app is the Cisco Meetings. You can try these three applications, and if you want to just try an Indian application, then you can go for the Say Namaste app, because it is a perfect Indian app and you can just trust it because it's a perfect video calling app from the Indian developers. And guys, the next one in the list is the WeChat application. Guys, before the WhatsApp was dominated in India around 5 to 6 years ago, then the WeChat was also very popular in India. And guys, this is an online messaging application. But as the WhatsApp entered in India, only less number of people are using the WeChat application. So the perfect alternative for the WeChat application is the WhatsApp, or you can even trust the Indian application, that is the Telegram application. And again, these all apps will be linked in the description below. You can just download them. You can just try the WhatsApp app or the Telegram app. And guys, to be honest, I also used the Telegram app for quite a bit time, and the experience was very good. And guys, the next app in the list is the Club Factory. This is an online shopping application, and the alternatives for those are the Flipkart, Amazon, and even the Reliance online shopping application. You can even trust the Reliance because it is an Indian application. There's nothing to talk about the Amazon or Flipkart because they're widely used in India. And the next app in the list is the Beauty Plus. This is an photo editing application, and the alternatives for those are the PicsArt, which is a very popular photo editing app, and I think you may even know about this PicsArt app, and you can just try the PicsArt app. Or also there is one more application, that is the Candy Camera app. You can even try that app, but my recommendation is just go for the PicsArt app. You can use that app, or you can even download the Snapseed app by the Google. And if you want to see how to use the Snapseed app, I have made a dedicated video on that. It will be linked in the iCard button and even in the description below. You can just click and watch that video. And the next app in the list is the TikTok. I think there's no need to introduce about this TikTok app because it is widely used by the Indians especially. Actually, an alternative also came for this TikTok app, that is a Mithron app, and I also made a video on that. It will be again linked in the cards and in the description below. But as the sources say that it is a Pakistani code that is copied by the Indians, so there is no point in using that app. So the alternatives for this TikTok app is the Roposo. I'll provide this link in the description below. I think you haven't heard about this app, but it is an alternative for the TikTok application, not made by the India, but a non-Chinese application, that is the Roposo app. Or you can even try the Dubsmash app, and I think you know about this Dubsmash app because before the TikTok, it is having a great popularity in the market. So alternative for the TikTok app are the Dubsmash or the Roposo app. And the next app in the list is the Viva Video. This is an video editing application used for editing the videos in your mobile phone, and an alternative for those are the KineMaster, Power Director. I think you may have heard about this KineMaster application because it is a very popular video editing application for the mobile phone. So you can just try this KineMaster or the Power Director applications for editing your videos in your mobile phone. And guys, the last app in the list is the Halo application. And guys, this is just an entertainment application, and an alternative for that is made in India, that is the ShareChat application. This is an official application made by the Indian developers, so you can just use this ShareChat applications. And guys, these are all the applications that you can use as an alternative for the Chinese applications. And that's all from this video. I think you got a clear idea about the alternatives of the Chinese applications. Those are the non-Chinese applications, and you can just install these non-Chinese applications in your mobile phone directly from the links given in the description below. And that's all from this video. If you find this video is informative, hit that like button and share it with your friends as much as possible. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box below, which I'll try to definitely answer those questions. Do subscribe my channel by clicking the Akilan Tech logo and clicking subscribe button. This is Akilan signing off. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers.